Dr. Sian Cole, health psychologist, and today's video is on the technique called Worry Hour. So this is a really simple, useful technique that can actually help you to manage your worries. We understand that it's not actually helpful to worry all the time. However, sometimes it's helpful to give your brain the room to have its worries. So let's talk through the steps. So first off, pick 1 hour during the day in which you can do your worry hour. So be flexible depending on what your schedule is, but just don't pick the hour before bedtime. I think it's probably really good to do before a meal, like having a task to do, just so it helps you to kind of focus on your next task. So, for example, 11 a.m. to 12 noon, good time, and then go and have your lunch. So the second step is, when you do get to your worry hour, is write out all your worries. You probably think that that's going to be a really big task, and you might start to realise that it's just the same worries going around and around and around. They will probably be worded a bit different, but the themes are probably going to be similar. So when your worry hour is over, next time your brain gives you a worry, you actually can give it permission to postpone it. You say to your mind, thanks for the worry, but I'll worry about you tomorrow, or I'll worry about you in my worry hour. The next thing you can do during your worry hour or afterwards, especially when you've written them out, is you can have a good look at them and start to work out which worries are helpful and which worries are unhelpful. And this is really important because some worries really can be helpful. And how I define helpful is if it helps you to take action, if it helps you to meet your needs or to have a meaningful life, then you probably should pay attention to it. For example, if you've got a worry about a toothache, then that is actually a good worry to have, so you can actually call the dentist or do something about it. But also we have lots of unhelpful worries, and you're probably aware of this. So unhelpful worries are the ones that we don't have any control over. So you might be worried about what a friend's thinking about you, or worried about somebody getting sick and dying. Those worries can be pretty hard to hold, but they're definitely unhelpful. So they're good worries to let go or postpone to another day because there's nothing you can do to act on them. Another distinction is a helpful worry, if you might be able to act on it, but you're having it in the middle of the night, can then actually be classified as an unhelpful worry because there's nothing you can do about it. So helpful can also depend on where you are and what you're doing and what your resources are at the time. So if you are having a helpful worry, well, act on it or make an action plan to act on it. And if it's unhelpful, that's when you can put it on a leaf, let it go. You can thank your mind for that thought, or use any other kind of unhooking or diffusion technique, and sometimes just simply saying to your mind, I'll worry about you tomorrow. Thanks for listening.